Let's create a deal using Realty Juggler real estate software. There are 3 ways to create a listing record in Realty Juggler. The first is to create a listing record from your contact record. If your seller is already in your contacts database, go into their contact record. Click on the Transfer tab on the left, and then click on the listing icon. And here's our new listing record. The second way to create a new listing record is from the Prospects database. I'll go back to the main screen, click on the Prospects icon, and then on a row, Jeffrey White. I'll click on the Transfer tab on the left, and then click on the listing icon. This time, Realty Juggler will ask if it's okay to delete the old prospect record. I'll click OK. There's no need to keep marketing to them as a prospect once they have become a client. I am also going to want to add this new client to my contacts database. The instructions here in red and in bold explain how to do that. I'll click on the first name label and select Add to Contacts. The third way to create a listing is to enter the information directly into the listings database. To do that, I'll click on the listings icon from the main screen and then click on the New Listing button at the top of the screen. I'll fill in my client's contact information here. Once I have entered this information, I can select the Add to Contacts menu item to add this person to my contacts database. The contacts database can be synchronized to your smartphone, which is why you typically add clients to your contacts database. I can see my listings by clicking on the listings icon from the main screen of Realty Juggler. I can also go into my contact record and click on the Backlinks tab on the left to see all of the deals that this contact record is associated with. In this case, I have 1 listing. However, if this contact record was for an investor, I might see multiple deals here. I can click on the row here to go to the linked listing record. Once I have a ratified contract for my listing, I'll click on the Transfer tab and transfer this listing to the closings database. From there, I can track all of the contingencies, deadlines, and anything else necessary to get the deal closed. When a new closing record is created, the old listing record is retained, but the status of the listing record is set to Contract. That way, if the deal falls through, I could go back to the old listing record. Assuming all goes well, we recommend that you delete your old listing record after you have picked up your commission check and the deal has been completed. For additional information on creating a deal and the flow of the deal, go back to the main screen of Realty Juggler and click on the Tutorials icon. Scroll down to the Written User's Manual section and click on the Quick Start link. This manual provides additional explanation for how the Realty Juggler system works.